Hey everybody, so today I will be showing you my Corina Garcia Blackberry Blast Off, and this is scented, okay? And then, I'm gonna open it. It's really hard to open it okay, I'll just put you down, guys. This won't take long. Okay, done. Okay, let me take it out. Let's get talking. And yes, I do have Dark Diary. Really good. It's really good, and it's scented blackberry. Sometimes the glitter gets on your hand, or the big glitter. And yeah, or I'm gonna do some twist. I'm gonna add one of these glitter, which is gold. I'm putting gold. Okay, I'm gonna put it just right there. Okay, I will just open the glitter up. Okay, I'm so scared, guys. I'm so scared. So this is what it look like right now, and this is where I'm doing it. And that's with the slime. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna put you down and close the. Can you please not mind my mom and dad talking in a different language? Because they, talk a different language. It's so pretty. You see what they like. One on knows everything. There's glitter on my hand. I mean my finger. What am I doing to my slime? And these nails, I might give away this, my nail polish, if you just subscribe down below and click the bell, and yeah, you'll be the first like. Oh yeah, on my first video, and this is my second video, on my first vid, I got 1.5 views. Can you guys get 2K views? That's the goal. We'll get higher and higher, okay? Or lower and higher, lower and higher. So that is gonna be the end of the video. Peace out. 3, 2, 1. Pew.